welcome to the Best Buy vlog. My name is Ray, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Dermabeam Pro. If you're a skincare lover who wants to take the next step, light therapy might be the next tool that you should invest in. The Dermabeam Pro Light Therapy Mask is a funky little rechargeable lightweight light mask that's designed to treat your whole face. And it has cute little ears too. In its box you'll find the mask itself, a dust bag, an instruction manual, and a USB-C charging cable. The mask is really lightweight and thin with a reflective gold eye window, eye-protecting soft goggles, and a series of LEDs on the inside. The Dermabeam Pro Light Therapy Mask is really easy to use. It has just one button to control its functions, is one size fits all, and contains a lightweight rechargeable battery that you charge with that USB-C cable. So let's talk about what light therapy even is, because even though it's gaining in popularity, it's still pretty specialized. Light therapy works in two ways. The first is phototherapy, which is a way of exposing a person to specific light wavelengths, usually sort of like a really bright blue-white, to treat conditions like insomnia and seasonal depression by a visual input. The second method is this one. It's applied to the skin, not the eyes, and in this type of light therapy, what's important is that certain wavelengths, often red, sometimes blue or other colors, hit the affected area, like your face, neck, or décolletage, but they don't necessarily need to enter your eyes, and sometimes it can be even a little bit irritating to have them do so. This type of light therapy is very gentle, but it's been shown to have positive results in clinical trials. There are 7 different settings on the Dermabeam Pro, including red to stimulate collagen production, green to reduce oily skin, blue to eliminate bacteria that causes acne, pink to improve wrinkles, violet to heal acne scars, orange to reduce redness, and a sort of white-blue to fade hyperpigmentation. Dermabeam recommends using its product for about 20 minutes. You can go longer, but you don't really need to. And applying your skincare products with active ingredients before you start your session, as long as they don't contain harsh ingredients like retinol or acids. So you sort of put on your treatment product and then add on your light therapy session, which will work on its own, but will help increase absorption and efficacy if you use it in conjunction with other products. If you have a robust skincare regimen and you want to add something extra to really emphasize those results that you're getting, then the Dermabeam Pro could be a great tool to add to your routine. Make sure to check out my full review at the Best Buy blog. Thanks for watching.